HD+tempered film teaching video. Today, we will introduce this HD+tempered film to you. If you want a tempered film that can protect your phone screen without reducing the original screen image quality, smooth feel, and no fingerprints, then this HD+high-definition tempered film is highly recommended for you to choose. Next, I will demonstrate how to correctly apply the tempered film. 1. Tear open the cleaning bag. Use an alcohol cloth and wipe off any oil or dust on the screen, especially at the edges, which can be easily overlooked. 2. Dry the screen with a built-in non-woven fabric to keep it dry. 3. Use a dust removal sticker to remove the dust that falls on the screen from the non-woven fabric. You can carefully observe the dust spots through the light. 4. After tearing off the release film of the tempered film, carefully align it with the hole position and stick it properly. Then naturally lay down the tempered film. 5. Swipe the screen with your fingers to help accelerate the exhaust of the tempered film. 6. If encountering bubbles, this is a normal situation. Just lift it up and gently press it with your fingers. By following the above steps, the tempered film can be applied properly. The pasted tempered film perfectly fits the original screen size, 120 round at large curvature, with a good fit and feel on the surface. High aluminum glass quality, able to effectively resist scratches caused by sharp objects on the screen. Newly added anti-static oil coating, close to dust without absorbing dust. Electroplating drainage layer, bionic lotus effect, even with stains, it can be easily wiped clean. Reduce fingerprint attachment screen, high definition and high transparency image quality, like a bare metal experience. If you are also hesitant to choose which type of tempered film, why not try this HD+ tempered film wholesale screen protector? Contact we at you.